The threat for severe thunderstorms tonight, this late this evening, that we're expecting around a thunderstorm strong, potentially severe, moving out of Oklahoma, especially into western and northern Arkansas. I'm going to go through the timing and the expected impacts, but as you know, download the Arkansas Storm Team app. We will be updating it, especially later today, with more frequent videos. Set up the warning notifications. And of course, we'll have live streaming there if we have to go on the air. But I want to stress that this does not look like a big outbreak at all, but there could be significant severe weather, especially in western and northwestern Arkansas. This does not look like a March 31st situation, as I say, and I have been saying, but it also is a big deal if you're affected by it. So that's why we're going to be there for you. Let's go over the newest data here, and that risk area has changed just a little bit to encompass more of western and northwestern and north central Arkansas with that medium threat for severe weather. So that just has expanded a little bit, and then you see the low risk surrounding that, and then the very low risk. So you get the idea that the storms will be more numerous and have the greatest severe potential out in Oklahoma. They move into western and northwestern Arkansas with that severe potential. And as they move further towards the east tonight, they should lose their intensity and their coverage, but they don't go away. That doesn't mean you can't have a severe thunderstorm. It's just the chances definitely are going down as we run out of instability. So make sure you download the Arkansas Storm Team app. This is what we're looking at in terms of tornado, hail, and wind. The tornado threat categorized as very low, except for the northwestern corner of the state, and I expect a tornado watch to be issued. Hail 1 inch in diameter or greater. You see that's increased a little bit in that medium risk area. And winds 58. Why 58? That's the severe threshold for severe winds. And that does show western, right there in that medium risk area. And then it decreases, it goes downward as it goes towards the east into central Arkansas to a low threat. So you look at all three of these modes of severe weather, you can see that we're expecting it the worst in western northern Arkansas. And so let's go through forecast track. This afternoon, there will be a couple of light showers moving through. You can see the thunderstorms developing over Oklahoma. This is at 8 p.m. So it's still quiet, with the exception of a few showers. Now, the timing of this could speed up or slow down. So you can't take these literally, but it's right there in that medium risk area. And then watch how this moves into Arkansas by 10 o'clock at night. And I see this, you see that little bow feature right there. That tells me gusty winds, would be a threat in that area, and you can't rule out an isolated tornado. But this is at 10 o'clock, and Scott County, Logan County, that general area, maybe as far south as Mena and Sevier County, you see all this. So in this general area of the state at 10 o'clock, but watch the weakening trend. So there it is at 11 o'clock. It weakens out here a little bit. Still going, though, once it moves through the Arkansas River Valley in northern Arkansas, 11, and then really starts to fall apart by midnight, and after midnight lifts towards the north, and by 2 o'clock in the morning, things are looking pretty good weather-wise and quiet. So, but I want you to have a way to receive warnings tonight, and we always talk about having two sources for warnings, the app and a NOAA weather radio. And again, the app, we ask you to download it, the Arkansas Storm Team app. Again, the severe threat is not encompassing the whole state. It's mainly western and northern Arkansas, decreasing the further east you go. And I want you to know that we will be monitoring it for you, as we always do. We're always ready, and we're always there for you, online, on air, and on the app, everywhere, on social. So thank you very much for your trust, and thank you for your loyalty, and we'll update you throughout the day on the app.